Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times, and you're watching a quick unboxing and a feature overview of the Xiaomi Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. These were available on Amazon as a part of the Prime Day deal, so I instantly bought it because it's something new in India. This was not earlier available, now it's launched in the country, and these are priced at 1800 rupees. There are two options for the colors, that's black and gold and black and red. So this is the black and red that we bought, and these are the major features. A 4000 mAh battery that would give you about 20 hours of playback time. Since it's a Bluetooth one, a wireless one, you would rely on its battery for the audio playing, and that is said to be about 20 hours. A 40mm dynamic driver for the audio output, and it's said to offer quite a heavy bass, but we'll be testing them out for the next couple of weeks at least, and I'm anyway traveling, so you'll also know whether these are good for travel. And it has a light and comfortable fit, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 for the connectivity. And I've already taken out the headphones, used them a couple of times, and I actually like them so far. But that won't be the final judgment. And there's a charging port of micro USB 1, 5E 1A of charging, impedance of 32, and net weight of 150 grams. That headphone weighs 150 grams, which is actually quite less. The MRP is 21.99, but it's available for 1800 rupees. And that's it. This is the box package. There's nothing much in the box anyway. You'd see the headphones, and then you'll see the cables, and nothing else would be seen in there. So this is the headphones. These are the Mi Super Bass headphones with the black and red option. And apart from that, in the box, what you find are these cables, and there's a quick manual as well. So this is the charging cable, which is the micro USB cable that you find along with it. And there's this 3.5 to 3.5 cable, that's the aux cable, so that in case you want to use it with your phone and not with the Bluetooth option, you can do that as well thanks to this one. So it has the wired option as well in case the battery is dying out and you want to rely on phone's battery to play the music on your headphones. So that's one addition which is good, so you don't have to always rely on it being wireless. This is the user manual that you get along, and that would quickly give you an instruction of what all you can do here. So there are buttons that can be used for incoming call, and pressing for answer, and press and hold to decline. And there's also the standby mode. Press two times, and there's also that would activate the voice assistant when you press it two times. There's the music button where you have the volume options, and also the play and pause button. iOS devices support battery and volume display, but other devices may not. So this might be a disadvantage for the Android ones. They might not be able to show you how much battery is left. And do not use power bank to charge the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. So that's a warning again. You cannot use power bank. Though I already tried it with the power bank and it was charging. So there was not an issue. But in case there's an issue, the company already tells you that you shouldn't be doing it. So in case there's an issue, that would be a problem for you guys. So that's with the box package. So coming back to the headphones, these are the ones, that's the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones, and they actually feel pretty lightweight, and it's all plastic to be frank, so that is why they are light in weight. And they might also seem a bit on the lesser side of the premium, that you can call it. They don't feel premium or classy. But the good thing that I see here is the earmuffs can be actually moved. So this thing would make it comfortable, and most of the headphones don't have this feature. So when these are moving, when you place them on your ears, they sit there comfortably based on how your head position and the ear position would be, and that makes it much more comfortable than the regular headphones. And this is on both the sides, and I have worn it for a couple of times, and I felt they are pretty comfortable. And the good thing is that I don't like heavy headphones, even though they might be feature filled, or they might have a heavier battery. But 20 hours of battery life is what the company claims, which is already quite good enough. And the other thing is that being light, they don't ever exert any pressure on your head and ears, so that's a good thing here. And this connecting arm is also quite flexible, so that makes it even more easier to wear it for long hours. And this is the extendable arm, so that is the that's also made of plastic, I suppose. And that's it. These are the ports. The ports towards the bottom of the headphones include the micro USB and the 3.5mm headset jack, and there's the microphone just beside to it. On the side are the buttons. There are three buttons in total on this side. So as soon as you press this button and hold it for 3 seconds, it would give you the pairing mode, and it also says pairing. If you are actually wearing it, you'd hear that it first set power on and then set pairing. So I would turn the Bluetooth on my phone, and then I'll try to see if there's any available device on the device, and leave here. So this is the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones that's available for pairing here, and this battery is shown here. Actually, it didn't mention about that on the booklet. It said that it would be supported on the iOS, but it shows 100% battery here. And anyway, after using it, we'll let you know whether the battery notification was working or not. And you can work with the phone calls, media, audio, and also the contact sharing on this. And since that has voice control, you can actually give it those voices for the activation and also for some commands. And obviously, it would take us some time to judge in different conditions by testing out in different conditions and see if the headphones are working well, whether the music output is good, and whether the bass levels are good enough for the different genre. So we'd be doing the full review in a week or two, and then you'll be knowing whether these are good. But I'll tell you about the form factor. I did like the form factor here because of the lightweight, and then these earmuffs that are quite easy to shake, move around, and fit to your ears. And so that's it about the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. These might be good for the price because 1800 rupees, you see quite a lot of options already in the market, but these coming from a brand that is known for doing good in the accessories department, I would trust this easily. But then yeah, we'll let you know in the final review. So this was it about the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. I hope you like this video. If you do, do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.